Hello students, today we will learn optical fiber. An optical fiber is a device used to transmit information data in the form of electromagnetic waves to long distances. An optical fiber consists of a transparent denser core to transmit the light signal. The transparent denser core is coated with a transparent rarer cladding to reduce the radiation loss and to protect the information data from external electromagnetic interferences present in the atmosphere. Since optical fiber is very thin and is very sensitive to fiber loss due to bending and breakage, hence optical fiber is embedded into a buffer jacket to provide strength and protection to the fiber. When a light beam is incident on core cladding interface at an angle less than the critical angle, a part of the incident beam is reflected back into the denser core and another part of the incident beam is refracted into the rarer cladding. Since cladding is made of transparent dielectric material, hence it reflects the beam back into the core. Therefore, the associated field of the electromagnetic wave decay to negligible value on propagation of the light signal into the cladding. The second case can be when the light falls on the core cladding interface by making angle of incidence equal to the critical angle. In such a case, a part of the incident beam is reflected back into the denser core and another part of the incident beam is refracted along the core cladding interface, because in this case the angle of refraction will be 90 degree and this is the limiting case of refraction. As we know that when angle of incidence increases, the angle of refraction also increases. So when angle of incidence is equal to critical angle in this case, then angle of refraction becomes 90 and the refracted beam travels along the core cladding interface. The third case can be when angle of incidence at core cladding interface by the light beam is greater than the critical angle. In such a case, the total beam, incident beam, will be reflected back into the denser core and there will be no refraction into the rarer cladding. As such, the reflected beam will propagate along the core by the phenomena of total internal reflection of light, which is the principle of optical fiber.